That's the boy he get. Now we gonna put him on the scale. Now this is what, like 9 days old. 9 days old, y'all. And y'all know I'm kind of new to all of this stuff, so I hope I'm engaging y'all the way I'm supposed to be, whatever, you know. Just proper etiquette and everything. All right. So he is 1 pound and 10 ounces. And I'm going to put the blue collar on him. They would have some old official plastic on here hard to get off in front of y'all. Let's see. Oh, no, that's not too hard. Yeah, but how y'all day going, man?